Yeah, so my name is Michael Stahulak. We're here at Go Brewing in Naperville, Illinois, the first non-alcoholic craft brewery in Illinois, one of the first in the entire country that focuses solely on non-alcoholic craft beer. Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, the pasteurizer is huge for us, right? If you're making non-alcoholic beer and you're not pasteurizing, you're doing it totally wrong. You could be providing a product for people that is not safe. With this pasteurizer, it is one of the smallest footprints on the market for a tunnel pasteurizer. It fit in here perfectly. It's able to make sure that we're able to use different times and temperatures to hit our pasteurization units to make sure that we're providing a quality and food-safe product for our consumers. For non-alcoholic beer, if you don't have the ethanol in it to hide things like pathogens, so it's very critical to be able to track using monitors through a pasteurizer like the Cody Tunnel pasteurizer to make sure we're hitting our pasteurization units the exact same every single time. Yeah, so basically with pasteurization for non-alcoholic beer, the recommendation is 80 to 120 PUs, which does seem extremely high, right? So we're trying to target between 60 to 100. Basically, we're doing that to kill off any sort of yeast that is making it through from the bright tank.
So basically these are from a packaging run earlier in the week, post-pasteurizer. WLN, these are typical for any brewery that's checking for yeast. Nothing on here, as you can see, nice and clean going through the Cody pasteurizer. This is a bright tank sample, which we're expecting to see yeast growth on. So that is just regular Saccharomyces growth on a plate right here, being killed off by the pasteurizer.
And as well as making sure there's no sort of pathogenic bacteria that can be growing in there. We also have a pretty rigorous micro program here, so every step of the way, from the start of fermentation all the way through the pasteurizer, we're checking to make sure that there are no contaminants such as bacteria and that the yeast is in fact getting killed off by the pasteurizer, which it is. We have never had one issue with anything making it through the pasteurizer and showing up on our plates in there. So that's been huge for us.